Ciao guys, it's Marco here, Graziani Homemade. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I want to talk about pan pizza. Do you love pan pizza? Do you know pan pizza? Do you know why I love pan pizza? Simple, simplicity, that's my word. So I'm trying to share to all of you here in Brisbane what's for me is love for pizza. Pizza is not just like Domino's or stuff like that. For us Italian people, pizza is a culture. It's a very old tradition. So this is the pan pizza. Let's do the dough together. Okay, in an easy way we start adding water. I will give you the recipe on the description. Okay, we start melting the yeast. Okay, all together. So as you can see, we put inside, we have flour 00 here. And we have the 5 cereal. After I'm gonna show you the brand. So now we're gonna add some malto that helps the fermentation. Okay. Add the salt. Do this movement, fold it and press it, fold it and press it. Okay, so don't worry about if it's sticky. Don't worry, continue to mix it, continue to mix it. It's sticky because, you know, the flour didn't absorb properly the water yet. But we need to continue working. Okay, if it's still sticky, you're gonna leave the dough like this with your bowl. You're gonna cover it and you're gonna let them relax for 15 minutes. Okay, so now, as you can see, it's a little bit sticky, but we will do like this. We're gonna just add a little bit on top. Okay, we're gonna do this. This is the magic part. You will see your dough change shape, and look at that. It's really smooth and don't stick anymore. So what we do next is we fold the dough, we keep a container. Be sure that your container has a hermetic lid, you know. Okay, so we're gonna create 2 pizza tray, so we're gonna cut in half. We're gonna weight our dough. Okay, so it's okay, perfect. So this moment we're gonna put some oil inside the container to allow the dough later to come out easier. Okay, spread a bit the olive oil, easy peasy. Okay, nice. So keep the dough, do a couple of folding again, not too much, don't stress too much your dough, especially because guys, you want to make the pizza in like 5 hours, so we need to let the dough rest as well. So now, okay, we put the pizza inside the container, your lid, close it hermetically. Okay, 2 pizza dough for 2 different pizza tray. Beautiful. So tonight I'm gonna go to a friend of my house. I'm gonna cook this pizza using baking paper, RDB, olive oil. After few hours we're gonna put this pizza, we're gonna throw this pizza inside the pan. We're gonna stretch it, top it and cook it. And after that we're gonna enjoy. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, especially Instagram and Facebook. There is a direct message if you have any questions, YouTube, and have a look at my website if you are in Brisbane, www.grazianihomemade.com, and I will come to you to do a masterclass if you need it. Thank you so much. See you next time. Ciao.